Hello YouTube, this is Man and this guys here. So today I've got this R15 with me and I'm going to get the tires replaced. It's been 24,000 kilometers, more than 24,000 kilometers, and it's still stock tires in this bike. So I have three options with me: CEAT, Michelin and MRF. Don't wanna go for high-end variant like Pirelli or Metzeler, and also they won't be available in our city. So the options were Michelin Pilot, I guess, and a CEAT Zoom XL and MRF Tyre. I'm going to a MRF dealer store in here to look for the options, and also there is a Bridgestone over here. I don't know if they manufacture bike tires or no.
A few inches later,
this guy said that Bridgestone don't make tires for bikes. I don't know if that's true or no. He had only CEAT, nothing else. I didn't want to go for CEAT because their compound is hard and they don't give better grip on road. So, but to be honest, R15 stock tires, they don't have much grip. When I started riding this bike, it lacks a lot of grip. It lacks a lot of grip, especially its front end. It loses its grip, and a few times I almost got crashed. So ये मैं से टीयर ये वाला
हिंदुस्तान में पहले क्या था, ये इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड का है। ये रेसिंग बाइक से चलते हैं ना, इसमें 3 कंपाउंड्स हैं। मैं बता, ये है इसमें 3 कंपाउंड्स हैं, ठीक है, और ये 0 डिग्री टायर है। आप इसको जैसे घुटने लगा के नीचे चलते हैं ना, ये वाला, ठीक है, तो पकड़ लेता है रोड, ठीक है, हीट भी नहीं होता और इसकी लाइफ बहुत है, ठीक है, तभी महंगा रखा है। हाँ ये होता है, और साइज भी बड़ा है ना। हाँ साइज, फिर वो आप वो कर दो ये ज़ैपर। This one is Tyre. This is Zapper Q. This comes 130/70. This comes 140/70. This is the recommended one for R15, and this is a little bit wider, as I said over here. How much does it cost, and made out of 3 compounds? So I'm for this one. Tires all fucked up from middle part. Rest part is okay. Front one is totally gone, as you can see. From sides it's okay.
me 2300 for rear tire and 1675 for front, and 2300 for rear. And this is Zapper, both are Zapper. So for CEAT it's around 3400, 3450 I guess. And Michelin costs around 3200 for rear and 1800 for front. CEAT Zoom XL cost 2200 for 2250 for rear and 1400 for front. So these are the price listed in Jammu especially. The front one I got 90 by 90 because 80-90 wasn't available in Zapper. It's a bit higher. And rear one I got 130/70. I didn't opted for CEAT myself because that was 140/70, so that was a bit wider. I didn't want to go for wider because obviously affects the mileage. So that's it. These are the tire things or slash prices or my reviews about everything you need. Michelin is a good but it only lasts for 15,000 to 18,000 kilometers depending on road conditions. This will cost around this will go around 25 I guess, maybe, don't know.